Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is bakso. It is Indonesian style of meatballs. It is of course from Chinese influence. Bak means actually pork, but because Indonesia the majority are Muslim, we use beef instead, pork for our bakso, for our meatballs. In Indonesia, we have a lot of varieties of bakso, from fish balls, we call it bakso ikan, chicken balls, bakso ayam. So everything that is shaped like meatballs, we call it bakso. But the main ingredients can be beef, chicken, turkey, fish, whatever you want to make actually. But for the following bakso, it is a mixture of beef and turkey. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. This is 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, ground white pepper, and quarter teaspoon of MSG. And this is 500 gram of ground turkey and 500 gram of ground beef. And we're gonna add in our flavoring. Then add in 2 tablespoons of fried onion, 1 tablespoon of fried garlic, half cup of tapioca starch or tapioca flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add in half cup of ice cube as well, and then we're just gonna mix this until the mixture turn into a fine paste. Add in half tablespoon of sesame oil and continue mixing until it turns into a fine paste. This is enough water with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon onion powder, with quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper. Bring this to simmer and then turn off the heat. I also add in a little bit of fried onion and a little bit of fried garlic, and also a drop or 2 of sesame oil. Now once it's simmering, you want to turn off the heat because we want to drop in our balls in soup that isn't boiling. If you have some chives, just add in as well. Now the paste is ready. Shape them into balls and drop it into the soup. So grab some paste and you want to squeeze it between your forefinger and thumb, and then scoop that with a spoon and drop it to the soup. When you drop this, it's not boiling at all, it's just hot soup, so the meatballs are not yet cooked. Continue working on your paste until all you stop and shape into meatballs. And once all paste shaped into balls, turn on your stove and then cook or boil for 20 minutes. Bakso, your meatballs, is called bakso in Indonesian, and you can use this to make bakso soup, which is meatball soup. Or you can slice it into capcay, which is Indonesian stir fry, or any other kind of soup, macaroni soup, chicken macaroni soup, or even slice into mie goreng, fried noodle, or nasi goreng, fried rice. You can add meatballs or bakso to many kinds of dishes. Now that the meatballs are done, let's make the broth. Bring 3 quarts of water to boil with these are beef feet, so 3 beef feet. Beef has feet. It's supposed to be cow feet, but it's beef feet. Now you want to move this white scum and let it boil for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna take out the feet and we're gonna change our water. Take it out, change the water, And then we're gonna boil this feet with spices or flavoring. We're gonna make a paste out of 4 garlic and 1 small onion with 1/4 cup of water, with another 3 quart of water, clean water, and our boiled feet earlier. Add in the paste. We're gonna bring this to fully boil again. Add in 1 tablespoon chive and 1 tablespoon of fried garlic and 1 tablespoon of fried onion. Then we're gonna season this with chicken bouillon powder and ground white pepper. Then we're gonna boil this for 15 minutes. And your soup or broth is ready for your meatball soup.